Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to clear your Canva uploads. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in canva.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, open new design where you want to delete your uploads. Now, at the left hand side of your screen, you can see a navigation bar. Click on the uploads option. After that, you can see all of your uploads here. You can also see videos and audios on these different tabs. Now, to clear your uploads, you need to simply select these photos. And you can add it as a folder separately, or you can delete it. Click on the trash button and click on move to trash to delete. So that is how you can delete or clear your Canva uploads. The same step goes for video and audio file. Click on the checkbox and click on delete button. So that is how you can clear uploads in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.